Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to combine videos on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have TikTok open here. First, what I will do is just tap on the little plus icon at the bottom center. This will pop up with a camera, but say I just want to upload multiple videos so I can combine them. I can tap the little upload icon at the bottom right. And then let's just choose, say, 3 of these mineral videos, and then hit next. So what you'll see is 2 different options, sound sync or default. Right under the videos it says sound sync or default. Sound sync basically links music up to the actual video so that it kind of has smooth transitions. If you want to use this, you can just hit adjust clip right here, and then it'll show you the 3 different videos. You can tap and hold to kind of reorder those. You can also just tap on one of those and then kind of change where you want, your 4 seconds or so to elapse. And you can move these all around. You can adjust where in the video it takes that little clip. And then you can also hit auto sync, and this will sync everything with the music and all that stuff. However, if you want to, say, go out of here and just hit default instead of sound sync, you can hit default, and again, this gives you the option to tap and hold and just reorder these videos however you want. And then you can always just tap the videos, and then you can, say, scrub those down to just a shorter video if you want, one to be shorter than the other. And then that's it. And you can hit next and continue to post those. But that's kind of how you combine multiple videos. Of course, these are 3 separate videos, but if you have 3 videos that kind of, all string together nicely, you can have little animations or transition effects between the videos and everything and make it look really cool. But that's how you combine multiple videos on TikTok. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.